Here is an optimization problem. Find two numbers whose product is 100 and whose sum is minimum. So you always need to first figure out what we need to find. We need to find two numbers. So we need to give them some name. Let's say we need to find two numbers, x and y. This is unknowns. Two unknowns mostly will give you the variables of your problem. Their product is 100, so x times y is given to be 100. This part is given. You can also call it as a condition given. What is to be optimized is the sum. Sum would be equal to x plus y. Okay. We want to optimize, meaning here we have to minimize. You always need get your function from the thing which you need to optimize. But if you notice, this is in two variables, x and y. So we need to, from our given condition, figure out y and put it in here. That will make this look like function in one variable. Once you can write this in function in one variable, you name it f of x. So f of x is x plus 100 by x. That can also be written as x plus 100 times x power negative 1, if you want it like that. Now we want to optimize this. How is the optimization works? You find the first derivative. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 100 by x is negative 100 by x square. Second is to find critical points. Critical points come from f prime x equal to 0 or f prime x does not exist. This function is, 0, meaning this whole thing is 0. And this function does not exist if the denominator becomes 0, so that is x equal to 0. But really, we can't have x equal to 0 because the product should be 100. If one of the number is 0, the product will not become 100. So that is not really true. So let's do this one. 1 equal to 100 by x square. You can say x square is 100. By cross multiplying, x will be plus minus square root of 10. Okay. So x is, square root of 100, sorry. So that will be plus minus 10, either plus 10 or negative 10. Okay. Now let's figure out where this function sum is minimum. So for that, we need to find second derivative. Second derivative is 1's derivative is 0 minus 100. This can be written as 100 to the power x to the power negative 2. Negative 2 comes down, becomes positive 200 by x cube. Okay. Double prime. Now what we try to do once we have second derivative, we are trying to do second derivative test to confirm where the function is minimum. So I put critical points in there. Let's put 10. That's 200 by 1000. That is clearly positive. So f is minimum at x is equal to 10. And when I put negative 10 in there, double prime of negative 10 is 200 by negative 1000. That's negative. So f is maximum at x is equal to negative 10. Okay. Now that means what do we want? We want function to be minimum because we want sum to be minimum. So this is your answer. Final answer. The sum is minimum at x is equal to 10. Y would be equal to 100 divided by 10, which is also 10. So basically, what did we need to do? We need to find two numbers whose product is 100. So it is 100 and the sum is minimum. Okay, sum will be 20 in this case.